Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where we will be getting some practice working with the accounting equation, sometimes called the balance sheet equation. Let's hop over to the computer and look at this problem together. All right, so the problem says compute the missing amounts in the following table. And then it gives us the accounting equation at the top of the table. So we have assets are equal to liabilities and plus owner's equity. Sorry, my dog Jack is reacting to a package being delivered out front of my house. So, it's distracting me for a moment here. So we are working with the accounting equation, sometimes called the balance sheet equation. And our job is to fill in the missing amounts, which are indicated by these question marks. So it should be pretty straightforward. What we're trying to convey through this type of problem is the relationship between these broad accounts of assets, liabilities, and equity. We're trying to show how they're interrelated and how the equation always has to result in a balanced equation. So the first one, let's look at A. So A is assets are equal to 635, liabilities are 342. How do we figure out the missing value owner's equity? Well, the equation is assets are equal to liabilities plus equity, right? And if we wanted to do a little bit of algebra here and solve for equity, we could just say equity is equal to assets minus liabilities. So I just rearranged the equation, algebra 1 here. So now we have an equation where we can solve for equity. So equity then is equal to 635,000 minus 342,000, which would give us what? Let's open up our calculator here. So we got 635 minus 342, we get 293,000. Is that what it was? 293. All right. So we got 293,000. All right. So that's the answer to A. Question B here is assets are unknown, but we know liabilities and equity are equal to 562, 500, and 610. So this is straightforward. We're just going to say assets are equal to 562, 500 plus 610,000, which gives us, if we go to our calculator here, so we got 562, 500 plus 610,000, so 1,172,500. 1,172,500. That one was easy. Last one here. Let's see. I don't like that it changed the copyright symbol. What is going on here? All right. So we know our assets are 307,500, and we know that owner's equity is 187,200. We could do a similar thing that we did in A. We could rearrange this equation, but ultimately what we want to do is we want to say 307,500 minus 187,200, and this would give us liabilities of 307,500 minus 187,200, 120,300. 120,300. Okay, and that's your answer to C. We could verify this if we say 187,200 plus 120,300. So if we just do 120,300 plus 187,200, we should get back to our assets number of 307,500. All right. Well, that one was pretty easy. Just illustrating to you that anytime we're doing things in accounting, recording journal entries, making balance sheets, everything that we do, it has to result in this accounting equation, sometimes called the balance sheet equation. That equation always has to balance after we get done doing what we need to do in terms of the journal entry or filling in the appropriate amounts in the balance sheet. Our check here to make sure that we've done things correctly is that assets always have to equal liabilities plus equity. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Take care.